Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of reasoning section. Our first question is complete the series 23, 45, 67, then question mark 54 and 32. So which number is set in question mark? See here in the series 23, reverse of 23 is 32. Then reverse of 45 is 54. So reverse of 67 is set here. So reverse of 67 is 76. So our correct answer is 76. So here option given, option C, 76. Now our next question is, in a row 26 boys, when Saurabh shifted 5 places towards the left, he became 10th from the left end. What was his earlier position from the right end of the row? So what given? Total number of boys 26. Total number of boys 26. Saurabh is in 10th position from left end after shifting. So that is Saurabh is in 15th position from left before shifting. 10 plus 5, 15. So 26 minus 15 equal 11. So that is there are 11 boys before Saurabh. So which number of boys before Saurabh? 11 boys. So his position was 12 from the right end. So here option given, option C. So our correct answer is option C, 12th position. Our next question is, find the next number in the series. The series given 15, 24, 35, 48, 63. The next number of 63 is what? So see here, for first number, there is given a pattern 4 square, 4 into 4, that is 16 minus 1, 15. For second number, 5 square, that is 5 into 5, 25 minus 1, 24. Then third number, 6 into 6, 36 minus 1, 35. Then fourth number, 7 into 7, 49 minus 1, that is 7 square minus 1. Then 8 square minus 1, that is 64 minus 1, 63. So what will be our next number? 9 square minus 1, that is 9 into 9, 81 minus 1, 80. So our correct answer is 80. So here given option B. Now our next question is, a person is sixth in the queue from starting. Sixth in the queue from starting. If he sits 2 positions forward, now he is sixth from the end. How many people are there in the queue? So we will to find how many people in the queue. Here given that person is sixth position from starting of the queue. Sixth position from starting of the queue. That is 5 people stand in front of him. When he shifts 2 positions forward, he is in 6th position from the end. That is 5 people stand behind him and 3 persons stand in front of him. 5 behind him and 3 persons stand in front of him. Total number of people will be 9. Why? 5 people in front of him and 3 people behind, 5 people behind him and 3 people in front of him and he. So total 9. So our correct answer is option A, 9. Our next question is, how many even numbers are there in the following series of numbers, each of which is immediately preceded by an odd number? What given? What given? Odd number, but not immediately followed by an even number. So See the series 6, 2, 8, 9, 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 5, 8, 6, 7, 9, 10, 8, 1, 4, 9, 2, 6. So what is the condition? Each of which is immediately preceded by an odd number but not immediately followed by an even number. So we are looking for a group of numbers odd, even, odd. So first number is odd, then even, then again odd. See here, there is only one group, 149, 149, this 149. 1 is odd, then 4 is even, then 9 is odd number. So here correct option is option A, 1.